This is the smallest of the blister treatment kits and is designed to treat blisters when you're actually participating in an activity, whether it be hiking, football or simply going on holiday. Great for putting in your kit bag or your backpack. There is everything in this kit that when you need to get home, pain-free. The island dressings should be applied as soon as possible to hot spots, bubble blisters or partially torn blisters. They are varied in size to suit the specific locations on the foot. Hyperfix tape can then be used to secure the dressings that may need cutting to size with sterile scissors. If the roof has completely come off a blister, then a hydrocolloid dressing needs to be applied directly to the wound. These are great wound healing dressings that can be left on for up to a week. They need securing in place to the skin with Hyperfix tape. The alcohol wipes are used to prepare the skin before popping a blister with a sterile needle, and then sterile non-woven gauze is then used to drain the fluid from the blister. The saline wipes are used to clean the popped blister or partially torn blister before applying the iodine swabs as an antiseptic to the blister. The foam felt deflective padding can be used to take the pressure off an area of the skin that is blistered. It can be applied after a dressing has already been applied to the blister, using the Hyperfix tape to secure to the skin. These are some shapes that can be actually cut out. The blister shield powder is used after an application of tape, dressings or deflective padding, as it prevents the edges of the dressing from rolling and reduces the friction applied to that area from the shoe. Nitrile powder-free gloves are used when an element of sterility is required, with either popping a blister, cleaning or dressing a roof torn blister or roof off blister. Hand washing is always preferable, but not always available, so gloves are used to that purpose. I always suggest that gloves are used for the application of blister shield, as it does tend to make the hand slippy. A full set of illustrated professional instructions is included in the kit.